Wow, never saw report cards like this before. Look, it's Pomni and Ragatha too. And Kane. The digital circus is in town. But it's time for a little team building. Aw, they've never been closer. And they make one great pencil topper. Ooh, they're an eraser too. I think they're checking for lice today. I guess a little grooming can't hurt. It's okay. Paper Pomni can relate. Just look at all those blemishes. Get all the squeezing out of your system. Now let's trim that peach fuzz. And put those eyebrows into shape. And pretty soon, Pomni's looking good. She'll be the envy of all the clowns.
Wow!
Wait, no, lunch isn't until next period. Your poor phone! Maybe we can fix it? Grab some gum and roll it into a ball. Add a tiny spring and attach it to the phone. Now make another and blow up a balloon. It'll pop into a bikini. And you can get back to your calls. Uh-oh, someone's in a stomping mood. Oh no, Pomni! She's all cracked up. She's gonna need an understudy. I know. Take a bite into some fruit. Now melt up some wax crayons and pour them into the bite marks. Soon we'll have ourselves a ringleader. It's Kane! The circus is saved! And he's quite the artist, too. Look who's here! It's Jimmy the Pig! It's just not safe for pigs these days. I think we're gonna have to operate. Ooh, how'd that get in there? Don't worry, our handy balloon machine will have Jimmy living large again. Add all of his favorite treats inside. And some glitter while we're at it. Some soda to wash it down. Seal him up. And now, give him a good squeeze.
Hey!
Hey, careful where you aim that thing. No, not the soda. And on your phone, too.
Oh no.
Here's something that might help. A micro cooler. Try to collect the soda. There's no use crying over spilled milk. But this is soda we're talking about. Now let's grab a tiny cup and try some. Ah, there's enough to go around. Ooh, I think Mrs. Banana's gonna be a new mommy. We're gonna need to look inside. Congratulations! It's a broccoli! Baby broccoli! And look, they're twins. Fraternal, I think. This one's a boy and this one's a girl. Aw, let's bring them to the happy parents. And this is why we don't sit on desks. Don't worry, Art supplies to the rescue. Just color in this Pomni picture. Now let's turn on the heat. Things should start puffing up. Soon, we'll get a puffy Pomni. And she's the perfect thing to cover your stain. Wow, people sure are clumsy today. Do you think she'll notice?
Uh-oh.
How about we cut it out before she does? To keep our candy safe, let's make a special lollipop dispenser. Cover it up. And don't forget to add the lollipop. You cleaned off the hair, right? Right? Hey, what's so slimy? Ooh, gum! There's more than enough for our next craft. Plop on a little gummy bear and fill up the hole with glue. Now just trim a little off the top. Make a bunch and add to some gums made out of gum. Soon, you'll have made a brand new friend. Well, hi there. Need a cough drop? Oh no! All of your notes!
Ew, yeah.
Maybe a new notebook will help. And look, this one's washable. Wow, it comes right off.
Wow.
How about we do a little experiment? With mustard, ketchup, and all your favorite condiments. Just add water and it all washes off. Wow, paper that can withstand water. Hey, chew on your own pencil. Oh, let's fix it up. Grab that old candy container. It can hold all of our pencil shavings. Why don't we give it a whole new look? Like a cupcake. Let's use the sharpener. Just don't make it too appetizing. Looks like it's test day. Remember, no phones out. Don't think you can fool the teacher? Trust me, this teacher's seen it all. Cheating never pays, and away you go. Let's not risk it, but maybe your soda can help. Give it a shake, and the notes disappear. Quick, write your answers before she notices. And don't forget to keep on shaking. I guess gum's not allowed either. It's okay. Just grab a glue stick and get rid of the glue. Thank you, Kane. Once it's cleaned, grab some chewy candy and stick it up inside.
Wow.
Nothing strange here, just gluing stuff. Quick, she's not looking. Take a bite.
Wow.
Ooh, a paper plane. And it's airborne. Ready to land. Aw, it's a love note. Ready for the return trip? Not quite. Uh-oh, time to bring out the running crab.
Wow.
Just plop some notes on the claws, and let's get running. Careful now. I think we've been intercepted. Maybe we should stick to texting.
Huh?